Hi kids, I'm Professor Popcorn, and this is my magical science lab. Today, we're doing 5 super cool experiments you can try at home. Ready, set, explode with learning! Experiment 1, Rainbow Milk Swirl. You'll need milk, food coloring, dish soap, cotton swab, plate. Add some colors, drop, drop, drop. Then touch with soap. Now don't you stop. It's a color disco in a Play-Doh. Experiment 2, Invisible Ink Messages. You'll need lemon juice, cotton swab, white paper, lamp or candle with adult help. Write a note, make it hide. Hold it near the heat with pride. I call it lemon detective magic. Experiment 3, Balloon Rocket. You'll need balloon, string, straw, tape. Thread the straw, tape the balloon, let it zoom like a science cartoon. My balloon zooms faster than Bloop's jokes. Experiment 4, Lava Lamp in a Jar. You'll need clear jar, oil, water, food coloring, fizzy tablet, like Eno or Alka-Seltzer. Color it up, then fizzy fizz. A lava dance, look at this biz. It's like a bubble party in a science bottle. Experiment 5, Dancing Paper Ghosts, Static Electricity. You'll need tissue paper cut into ghost shapes, balloon, woolen cloth. Rub the balloon, make some static. Watch the ghosts, it's electrifying magic. Even ghosts can't resist a good science dance. Wasn't that amazing? Science is not just facts. It's fun, fizz, and fantastic surprises. I'm Professor Popcorn, your science sidekick, signing off. Until next time,